4a to the power 4 plus 12a to the power 3 plus 7a square minus 3a minus 2. We are going to factorize this polynomial expression. First, we have to find out the possible rational root. The possible rational root. So it can be, here is a 4 and 2, once we multiply it will become 8. So it can be 1 times 8, 2 times 4. So possible root can be plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 4, plus minus 8. It's a possible, it's not fixed. Now find the root. Let's function of a equals to 4a to the power 4 plus 12a cube plus 7a square minus 3a minus 2. Now if we take suppose minus 1, so what will be the result? 4 minus 1 to the power 4 plus 12 times minus 1 cube plus and then 7 minus 1 square, then minus 3 times minus 1 minus 2. So what will be the result? Minus 1 to the power 4 means 1, so 1 times 4 is a 4. Minus 1 cube means minus 1, so it will be minus 12. This one become only 7, this one plus 3 and minus 2. So here is a 4 plus 7 plus 3, so 10 plus 4 is a 14. And here is a minus 14. So it should be 0. So it's a minus 1. So x plus 1 is a factor, right? X plus 1 is a factor. Now we are trying to make division by synthetic method. By using synthetic method, we get what? So here is a minus 1, right? We get 0 by minus 1. Now we are write all the coefficient of this expression. So a to the power 4, the coefficient is 4. Then a cube coefficient is 12. And then 7. Then minus 3. And then minus 2. So we have to write like this way. This 4 is come here. It's a 4. So minus 1 times 4, it's a minus 4. So 12 minus 4 is a 8. Right? Minus 1 times 8 is a minus 8. So here will be minus 1. Minus 1 times minus 1, it's a 3 or 1. Minus 3 minus 1, it will be minus 2. Minus 1 times minus 2, it means only 2. So it become finally 0. Once we get 0, so now what will be our expression? So the expression will be like the quotient is, so quotient here is a 4, it means 4x square plus 8x, right? And then what? It's not x square, it's a cube. A 4x cube, against this 4 we can write 4x cube. This one we can write 8x square. This one we can write minus x, and then finally minus 2. Now again, here we get 4x cube plus 8x square minus, here is a x, not 1x, we can write x minus 2. Now again we can write this one, and let's say this one is a function of x equals to this. In synthetic division method, we get the quotient is 4x cubed plus 8x square minus x minus 2, and we already get a factor which one is a x plus 1, so we just keep this one. And now again we can, let's say we can write 2 or minus 2. Minus 2, it will be better. 4 minus 2 cube plus 8 minus 2 square minus 2 and then minus 2. So here is a 4 and minus 2 cube, it means 2 times 2 is a 4, 4 times 2 is 8. So 8 times 4 is a minus, here is 8 times 2 is a 32, 4 is a 32, so minus 32. And here is minus 4, 2 square means 4, 4, here is a 32, right? And this one, here is a minus, so it should be here minus. So minus and minus plus 2, and here is a minus 2. So this one, this one, this one, this one out, 0. So we can write x plus 2 is a factor. Okay, so x plus 2 is a factor. Now again synthetic method, using synthetic method, we get. Now we have to find out the quotient. So here root is minus 2, and then the coefficient of 4x cube, it's a 4, and plus 8x square, it should be 8, and then minus 1, then minus 2. So this 4 will become directly, so minus 2 times 4, it's a minus 8. So here is a 0. So 0 times something, it's a 0. So here is a minus 1. And then minus 1 times minus 2, it's a plus 2. Now look, so the coefficient. So quotient here is a 4x square and then minus 1. So it can be write 2x square minus 1 square. So it will be 2x plus 1 and then 2x minus 1. So our result is, so x to the power, so what is 4a to the power 4, right? So we can say 4a to the power 4 plus 12a cube plus 7a square minus 3a minus 2 equals to, here we get 2x plus 1, 2x minus 1, and previously we get x plus 2, and last page we already get using synthetic method, here is a x plus 1, right? So x plus 1, and this is our answer. I hope you cleared this one. If you have any question, please write a line in the comment section. This is very important math. Polynomial factorization is a very common types of math you will face in the examination hall. So please subscribe my channel and share with your friends and family. Thank you.